Okay guys, so something decided to off in my transmission. I can't get into gear. I want to say it's my throwout bearing, and with the boy we chained up the car to the Golf TDI. We're gonna tow it home, and yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, so far so good. What we got going on? Something else.
Lighting here?
Chill, chill, chill. Don't go too fast. Oh.
Just make it 10 minutes. We're good?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna slow down.
We've made it safely to the house. We're gonna push it into the shed, and then I'm gonna pull this tranny apart. Oh, that felt good.
What'd you do?
My hand slipped and hit the door.
That's what I'm scared for, because if I slip, I'm eating it.
See, I put rivet nuts, so no more clips. See, I put rivet nuts. Oh man, it's so dirty.
Yeah, it was moving the solenoid, everything. Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
So, it's all coolant. My rad's leaking, so I gotta fix that. We're gonna rip it all apart. First things first, take bumper off, headlights. Drain coolant. Oh my god.
Oh, you're thinking about what has to be done?
Dude, rear mount has to come off. The exhaust has to...
This guy has to go in again.
This is gonna be the third time me taking apart and putting this thing together. Actually no, the first time was the first time I put it together. Better not be my clutch.